The DEEBOT X11 Robot Vacuum offers a unique PowerBoost charging feature that quickly restores battery life, allowing for continuous cleaning without disruption. With its OZMO Roller 2.0 technology, the DEEBOT X11 provides streak-free mopping and effectively tackles stubborn stains, even in hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with blast technology, the vacuum delivers powerful suction and airflow, making it particularly effective at picking up pet hair and maintaining high-traffic areas. The bagless OMNI station is a standout feature, providing an eco-friendly auto-emptying solution that reduces waste while ensuring deep cleaning with hot water and dual cleaning modes. The TruePass four-wheel climbing system enables the DEEBOT X11 to navigate over various floor transitions smoothly, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning across your home. Advanced AI-powered navigation and smart control options, including voice and app control, make the DEEBOT X11 an efficient and user-friendly cleaning companion.